Hit it. He caught me with the sweetest lullaby. He made me feel like glorious and divine. Invited me for a drink, blues and tender swing. And then he caught me by sweet lies. It started out that we were gonna be friends. And even more when he popped the question. He gave me roses, gave me the wildest, collecting his shadow. But finally one day, roses fade away, and butterflies, they got their wings so deep. The sweetness has its price. He went out at night and left me with a broken wing. Oh, and he went away. I could not save my aching heart. I was blinded by the blueness of mine. I could not get enough of gangster love. I thought that you knew that you were mine. Kept me caged like butterflies. I was taking my heart breaking shots and guns. The police, these and that, you got me caught with a lullaby. I can't run even if I try harder to forget that you left me with diamonds and the rings and the bling blings.
When he went away, I could not save my aching heart.
I was blinded by the blueness of mine. I could not get enough of gangsta.